Welcome to Escapees RV Park's Rainbows Inn in Livingston, Texas. Let's check out this campground. Up here is the main office where you'll stop and check in and get your site number and everything and any information that you might need. This RV park is big rig friendly and little rig friendly. Full hookups. They have permanent sites. While you're here, you can set up your domicile, your mail forwarding service, or whatever else here. Right there, you'll see sunset. They have picnic tables at them. Some are on a gravel pad and some are on a concrete pad. Depends on which type of site you want. They're 30 amp and 50 amp. The concrete pads are the premium sites. And as you can see, there's no age restriction on the RVs. You'll see the older models here and newer models. Those people put up a little ramp there for their doggy to go into their RV. Up ahead here, you'll see the laundry facility and bathroom. Now in the laundry rooms, you're not allowed to wash your bedding, rugs, or your dog's bed in their wash machine. If you would choose to, you need to wash that, you go to a laundromat located on Church Street in town. They have a trash dumpster there for you to place your trash in. Always clean up around your campsite. Smart Way. Have your rig weighed. More bathroom facilities. And more dumpsters to put your trash away in. This is a beautiful, peaceful area. This campground is located right along a highway, but you don't hear a lot of highway noise. Here's some more of the dry camping area. If you just need that overnight stay just to relax a little. And don't forget, speed limit is only 10 miles per hour, so please obey the speed limit. There is children in here, people walking their pets. And always clean up after yourself. And they have a radar there to watch you and make sure you follow the speed limit. Because they believe in keeping you safe so you can get out and enjoy life. and ask them at the office about the tours you can take here. Note I want to make about the Escapees RV Park in Livingston, Texas. We did not have very good Wi-Fi service, the site we were at 129, and local channels we did not get, and they even state that you will not be able to get very many TV stations, so just be prepared for that. But come check it out. It's a very clean, nice RV park. And just always remember, your next dream, your next adventure is just over the horizon. So let's get out and enjoy life and have some fun. See you in the next video. And while you're here in Livingston, Texas, be sure to check out the beautiful town. The Escapees RV Park, Rainbow's Inn, is conveniently located close to Walmarts, restaurants, and gas stations. So that's a good plus for any RVer. We've discovered some beautiful towns here in Livingston, Texas. And as an RVer, you know that you might need some propane sometime. Be sure to check out Livingston Propane. They accommodated us, and a huge big thumbs up to them. So be sure to check them out and tell them New Horizons sent you, because they'd be glad to help you out if you need extra propane or those tanks filled or anything.